Community-based monitoring, a tool for creation of empowered demand for critical public services. Process of community-based monitoring. The process can be divided into 8 steps. Community mobilization. Dalit women were mobilized around absence of basic services, lack of access to citizen rights and social injustice to monitor entitlements. The objective of community-based monitoring, or CBM as it was popularly called, marginalized communities increase access to quality basic services. Service providers and local governance institutions become responsive and accountable to people.
नहीं आवे टाबर स्कूल पसार लेने तो बने के भाई पसार क्यों को दे
Identification of services. Such meetings were held to identify and prioritize services according to their criticality for the women. Specific entitlements with respect to 6 basic services were finalized for monitoring: mother and child, institutional health care, nutritional supplement provided through Anganwadi centers to pregnant women, lactating mothers, children and adolescent girls. Food distribution to Annapurna and Antyoda beneficiaries in public distribution system. Enrollment to primary school, widow, old age and disability pension under social security schemes, and entitlements under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Indicators for monitoring. It was understood that the community had to decide monitoring indicators if they were to take the process forward. So, discussions were held with the community on status of the services. However, it became clear that the women had never visited the outlets, had not interacted much with service providers, and were too much in awe. They did not have information about entitlements. Women were provided information about entitlements in village meetings.
और अगर वे ठीक नहीं चल है तो मारो सुधारो भी गांव रा लोग आ रही हाथ में बारू उनको यार मारो सुधारो कर सके.
Accompanied by the facilitators, small groups of community women visited 4 CHCs, 12 PHCs, 29 subcenters, 39 PDS outlets, 32 Anganwadis and 56 primary schools, and interacted with the service providers.
कि सरकार की जो योजना है अपना खेत अपना काम, उसमें लाभार्थियों के चयन की भी एक निश्चित प्रक्रिया है। ये सबसे पहले हम SC BPL को लेंगे, फिर ST BPL को लेंगे, फिर अदर BPL को लेंगे, उसके बाद SC जो नॉन BPL है उसको सबसे पहले नामांकित किया जाएगा.
To guide the interactions, service-wise questionnaires had been developed. This exercise gave new insights and also reduced their feeling of awe. service providers got an outlet for their frustrations and grievances.
नहीं है, लाइट तो है पण वो कनेक्शन में कोनी अवेदीज खेची हुआ है।
उस मीटिंग में वैसे लोग ज्यादातर तो कहने के उपरांत भी आते नहीं हैं
जी जी।
और आते हैं तो भी अपना अपना काम निपटा कर लगभग चले जाते हैं
जी।
इतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं हमारे कहने के बावजूद।
दिक्कत तो कोई नहीं है परंतु लुगाई मानती नहीं है, समझती नहीं है। वो समझाते तो वो कहते मेरे देवता की है, मेरे को मना है।
Many decisions for mutual collaboration were taken. Mainly, it was found that most of the services and entitlements were out of the reach of Dalit community. There were question marks on their quality and delivery. Proactive display of information envisaged under right to information was unavailable, and provisions for enhancing community participation were not being adhered to. Community level consultations were organized to share the findings and finalize the indicators for monitoring of services, which were access to services and entitlements by the marginalized community, quality of service delivery and facilities, proactive disclosure of information related to implementation, and status of mandatory people's monitoring committees. Each indicator was broken into specific data parameters.
तो 15 दिनों में एक दफा आवे।
हाँ अच्छा।
और करीब 2 दिनों में आवे नहीं। बराबर ठिकाना कोई बात नहीं।
लैट्रिन बाथरूम है, मतलब अलग से कुछ है नहीं लड़कियों के